Everyone, welcome back to day 18 of the Advent Calendar created for me by Lozziecreates. All her information is down below. Go and follow her because she's a cool cat. Do people still use that? No? Okay, let's start over. Hey everyone, welcome back to day 18 of my Advent Calendar created for me by Lozziecreates. All her information is below. Go check her out. She's pretty crafty. There are lots of cool things over there on her channel. But today's clue is you always say you like fan art, so now you can use and display some. Let's see what it is. Oh, I am bad at opening envelopes. Look at that. Let's flip this all over. Oh my gosh, it's so cute! They're Christmassy! Oh, I love it! Sailor Moon and some stickers. Oh, more journaling stuff. Oh, there's more than just one. So we've got all the Sailor Scouts there. Oh, Chibiusa. Oh, this one's really cute. They're little journals. Look at that. And a bunch of bows and all their tools. They're tools. But you know what I mean. Oh, I love it. Yeah, I don't think I have a Sailor Moon page yet, so I need to get a new binder to put everything in for the next year. And then, of course, the card. Yeah, this one's going on the wall for sure. Look how cute it is. This is adorable. I'll lay them all out so you guys can see them all together. This is gonna make such a cute spread. So we only got like 6 more days left of Advent, so make sure you're following me so you can see the rest of my Advent calendar that she created. And then also make sure you're following me on Twitch because I'll be doing a lot of the crafts that you've seen in the past Advent calendars. I'll be doing them over on my Twitch page come the new year, so tune in for that. But that's all I have for you guys today. Everybody have a happy holiday. Peace.